Welcome to the SundaySky video platform. I'm Isabella Aster-Munera, a content designer here at SundaySky. In this video, I'll share some information that'll help you get familiar with the platform so you can start creating videos quickly and easily. We'll start with a guided tour of the homepage, and then I'll show you around the studio, where you'll build videos. Once you log into the platform, you'll see the homepage. Here, you can browse videos you've already created in the center of the screen or create something new. Let me show you how to do that. First, click the New Video button on the left pane. From here, you can decide whether to start from scratch or browse the library of story templates. SundaySky story templates are a collection of ready-made videos that span multiple industries and use cases. These story templates incorporate our video best practices for design, narration scripting, and use of on-screen text. Their built-in features and strategic structure have proven viewer impact. If you decide to start from a story template, browse the gallery to find an option you like and click the Start button. Once you do, that story template will be copied into your account so you can edit it. If you'd rather start a new video from scratch, select Start from Scratch to open a new workspace and bring your idea to life. Once you make a selection, you'll be taken to the studio, where you'll create and edit your video. Let's take a look around. On the left sidebar, you'll find global configuration options that allow you to make video-wide changes. Here you can do things like create a brand, pick a theme for your video, and select music and a voiceover for your narration. You can also change your video's aspect ratio or work with data in the data library. At the bottom of your screen is the scene lineup. It's similar to a video timeline. In the middle, you'll see the workspace where you'll build or edit one scene at a time. If you're having any trouble or are curious, you can always click on the Help Center widget here on the bottom right and learn more about these features. We recommend you start in the platform by creating a brand. Each brand contains a logo, colors, and fonts. Once you configure and save a brand, you can quickly apply these creative settings to any video you create. Start by clicking Brand in the left sidebar and selecting Add New Brand. The brand window will open and you can start to make adjustments. Let's go. First, upload your company logo. We recommend using a PNG file with transparency so the logo will work nicely on any background. After uploading, you can also adjust the logo via the Edit option in the three-dot menu. You can also select brand colors that apply to the entire video for consistency. Add your brand colors by entering hex codes or RGB values for the swatches. Or use the color picker to find colors you like. In the Text Styles section, you can pick from fonts in the SundaySky library or upload your own font using the Add Font button in the menu. You can also configure letter case and set line or letter spacing. Next, you'll pick a theme for your video. The theme will dictate the type of animation, transitions, and the composition of your scenes. In other words, themes contain all motion elements and add visual flair to the scenes you create. After you build a few scenes, you can revisit your theme choice to dial in your creative execution. For more information on the themes and how they work, take a look at this guide for some tips. Right below theme selection is the music library. Clicking here will allow you to upload and manage your own music. You can also browse the stock library to find the right track for your video. Use the search feature to find tracks you like, or click the tags to filter the tracks by mood. If you still can't decide, try listening to the tracks that our AI recommends, based on the tone of your video. Once you have set the foundation for your video, you can also select a narrator voice for your video using the voiceover button in the sidebar. You'll find different text-to-speech voice options, including male, female, promotional, and so on. Preview the voices by clicking the play button, and make your selection by clicking the radio button and clicking select. The foundation of your video is set. Now the fun begins. Scenes are the building blocks of your video, so let's add some to the lineup. Click the plus button at the end of the scene lineup to open the scene template library. We've also created a more in-depth guide for how to pick scene templates. If you'd like a deeper dive on the templates and how to use them, click the button below to watch that video. When you've decided which scene template to use, select it. Click Add, and it will appear at the end of your scene lineup. I'm going to add a few scenes here, and you'll see that they pop up in sequential order. I can always drag and move them around if I want to change the order, or delete them if I decide I don't need them. But remember, if you do delete a scene, you won't be able to bring it back. It's a SundaySky best practice to build each scene in your video around a single topic or message. This will make it easier to structure your video and provide the best experience for your viewers. Continue adding scenes to your video until you've met your messaging goals, and end your video with a clear sign-off or call to action. Now that there are some scenes in the lineup, get a feel for how they come together by playing them. Click the play button above the scene lineup to open the preview window. Use the preview to watch the full video or a specific scene you had selected. So far, the scenes in the lineup have no content in them, but you can see how the theme's animation combines with your selected brand and music to create your video's starting point. All that's left is to add content. Now that you're all set up, you're ready to bring your ideas to life. It only gets easier and more fun from here. Happy creating! For additional resources and video tutorials on topics like how to add narration, media, and on-screen text to your scenes, more information about how to pick and use scene templates, or a guide on how themes work, click the buttons on your screen.